Hey folks, what's going on? This is Marcel Humphrey, the REI Success Maker, here with one of our inner circle members, Welvita Clark, who just closed one of her first of many deals. Welvita, how are you today?
I am super excited.
Excellent, excellent. So Welvita, tell the folks where you're from, how we met, and talk a little bit about this deal.
Well, I currently live in Laurel, Maryland. And I met you through one of your students who happens to be here today on one of her own closings. And we met at a local REIA meeting, and she gave me a little bit of information about your program and about one of your free seminars that was coming up. I think it was maybe 2 weeks after we met. And then I attended your boot camp, and here we are.
Wow.
Progress, quick progress.
Wow. So, Welvita, you applied for one of our one-on-one coaching programs. How's that experience been?
Awesome. I mean, I have, seen this process just really excel. I'm super excited because I know there are more deals coming, and the sky's the limit.
Excellent, excellent. Could you tell us a little bit about this first deal? I know you have another settlement coming up, but let's talk about this deal.
This particular deal was a cold call on a probate list. You took me to the courthouse, sat me down, showed me what to look for, how to look for information. I took that information and did some research, found some phone numbers, called and left a message, and they happened to call me back. But from that, we set up an appointment to go view the property, and they accepted our offer after about a week and had a signed contract in hand, and here we are today.
Did you have any experience buying and selling real estate before?
Not except for my own home, no.
Okay. And how long have you been doing this?
Up until now, just over 2 months.
Just over 2 months. How much have you made in just your first 2 months?
This brought in $7,000.
Wow. You know, Welvita, I'm a strong believer that documentation beats conversation. You mind giving us a peek at the check?
I have the check in hand, and you can zoom in and see $7,000.
$7,000. Wow. I don't know about you, Welvita, but I like checks with 3 zeros at the end. Welvita, what do you do for a living, though? You're doing this part-time. A lot of people say, well, I don't have the time to do this. I'm very busy. What's like your day-to-day like?
I currently work for the federal government. I work 4 10-hour days, but I still put in time in the evenings, every evening, towards my business. I work on Fridays, Saturday, and Sunday towards my business, so you can find time.
Wow. Wow. So, Welvita, would you recommend folks coming out to one of the free seminars that we hold here locally in the DMV? Would you recommend folks attending our 3-day boot camp? What are some of the benefits of the live events that you've gotten?
Most definitely and highly recommended. One, you get to work with someone who knows this area. I mean, we're right here. There are people who will come from out of state who aren't here when you need them, that you can't see them face to face. You might be able to go on a computer, you might be able to make a phone call if you can reach someone. But we have someone who's right here in this area who you can reach out and touch, you can call, you can text, you can meet face to face, one-on-one. You can't get anything better than this.
Excellent, excellent. Thanks, Welvita, for those kind words.
My pleasure.
I look forward to seeing you at the closing table more often.
And you will.